Hi and welcome to this tutorial on exercise 4C from the book D1. Today we are going to solve question number 5. In this question we have to expand and simplify each of the following expression, and whenever we have to expand any question it means we have to solve these brackets. Either if it is going to multiply, we have to multiply and then make it simple by adding or subtracting the similar type of variables. So let's move to these questions and solve them. So this is the part A of the question number 5, and you can see we are given with an algebraic expression y minus 2 over 3 bracket start 9x minus 3y and then bracket close. And whenever we have this type of algebraic expression, they are asking us to simplify it, expand it, solve it. So what we will have to do, we have to multiply or open up the bracket first. So how we can open the bracket, I have already told you in the previous tutorials that whatever present outside of the bracket, that has to be multiplied with the numbers inside of the bracket. So y minus 2 over 3 multiplied 9x, and then this minus minus is plus, and 2 over 3 is multiplied with this 3y. And next step is to simplify it. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and this 3 is cancelled with this 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. Y minus 3 twos are 6x plus 2 ones are 2. Now we have solved it up to one step. The next step is to group up the similar type of variables. 5 plus 2y minus 6. So these two variables can be added together. Plus plus is plus. So 2y plus y is 3y and minus 6. The next step is we have to see either these two numbers are divisible by the same table, that is 3. So we write 3 as common and then write y minus 3 twos are 6, 2 and x. So 3 bracket start y minus 2x is our answer. So this is the part B of question number 5. In this algebraic expression there are different levels, so we will break it in different steps. In first step we only solve the smaller bracket, so we write minus 1 over 3 as such, and bracket start 6 multiplied with this p to get 6p, then plus 6 multiplied with this q will get 6q minus 3 bracket start p minus 2 into p is 2p, and this minus minus is plus, and 3 multiplied with 2 to get 6q. So in this first step we just solve the smaller bracket. The number which was present outside of the bracket, we multiplied it to get our answer. The next step is to multiply with this 3 with the inside of this bracket. So minus 1 over 3 bracket start 6p plus 6q minus 3 into p is 3p, minus minus is plus, and 3 twos are 6p, and again plus minus is minus, and 6 threes are 18q, and then bracket is closed. So whatever present inside of the bracket has been solved. Now you can multiply these number with the number present outside of the bracket, that was minus 1 over 3. This is the one method that you can multiply minus 1 over 3 with 6p, then 6q, 3p, 6p, or you can do a simplification step like all these p variables can be grouped up together, add or subtract them, q variables can be added or subtract them, and then multiplied with the minus 1 over 3. You can opt any method. I have solved it like minus 1 over 3 is multiplied with each of the numbers and then simplify as I have explained earlier, and then you get this answer minus 2p minus 2q plus p minus 2p plus 6p, and then you add them, the p variables solved together like minus 2p and p, and this minus 2p, the answer is minus 3p, and this q variables are solved together to get the answer for q. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and if you found this video helpful, Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to contact us.